This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today, before I do the next experiment that I have in mind, I decided to take this Epsom salt, which I've discharged to in the past. I never posted a video because I actually lost that footage. I had a few photos, I think, that I sent over to Robert Hawthorne. Anyway, I just had an idea before cleaning this out and starting with a fresh experiment to take this Epsom salt and put it over this clay and discharge 10,000 volts through the salt so that you can see the heat just melting and metamorphosing how the structure is in the salt. So I'm going to put this in with the microscope. I don't think I'm going to do a vacuum. I'm just going to do it like this. Let's check it out. All right, so I've got this set up here. I've got one electrode touching the salt on the right, and the other one's got a gap. I would say it's maybe 1.5 centimeters gap, and I've got the microscope on. So let's see what happens when we light this guy up. Nothing, because the arc gap is too long and there's no moisture. I want to do this without moisture to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to move this other electrode, how about like that? And it might still jump through. Let's see what happens. And it's just arcing right to the other one. Oh, that's interesting. All right. All right, started smoking there. What's going on? I think it started melting the plastic from the electrode. So reposition that here. Oh, that's hot. Oh yeah, that is hot. All right, so still touching. Let's try it one more time. And I'm gonna readjust the microscope because I don't like exactly how that. Ooh, it's definitely hot. I want it to jump from those leads. I want it to jump like that. Yes. Okay, we're gonna try that. So this is 10,000 volts AC through Epsom salt. No water added. It's completely dry. Aside from the moisture in the air, whatever that is. change the view here. Doing what I wanted it to now. Oh. Interesting here. Well, it's cool. Burn some little holes in there, some cave systems. You can also see some spiral formations on top where it left. The black part, that charring, is from the plastic melting, so that's not from electricity. It's not from this. It's not from the black is not from the salt melting in a fashion that it's combustible like that. It just melts.